Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ghost app. We'll cover the easy method to get your content live quickly. Ghost is a fantastic open-source platform designed specifically for professional publishing. It provides a streamlined experience for writers, allowing you to focus on your words without unnecessary distractions. Whether you're starting a blog or a newsletter, Ghost makes the process straightforward and efficient, helping you reach your audience with ease. Setting up your Ghost site is simpler than you might think. First, decide if you'll self-host or use Ghost Pro, which handles everything for you. If self-hosting, you'll install Ghost on a server, often taking less than 15 minutes with a good guide. Then, connect your custom domain name. This step ensures your audience can find your content easily. Ghost provides clear instructions for each part of this process, making it accessible for everyone. Now, let's create your very first post. Log into your Ghost admin panel, which is your content hub. Head over to the Posts section and click New Post to open the editor. Here, you'll find a clean, distraction-free writing environment. Type your content, add images, and format it beautifully. Once you're happy, hit the Publish button. Your words will then be live for the world to see, reaching your audience instantly. After publishing, you can customize your Ghost site further. Explore the many themes available to give your site a unique look and feel. You can also integrate various tools, like analytics for tracking visitors or email services for newsletters. Ghost allows you to manage members, offering exclusive content or paid subscriptions. With built-in SEO features, your content is optimized for search engines, helping more people discover your amazing work. It's a powerful platform for growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.